This video found you for a reason, not by coincidence, not by chance, but because Allah wanted these words to reach you today. Sometimes Allah sends a reminder once, sharp, sudden, and unforgettable, just to realign your path before you drift too far. This video is that reminder. This moment is that wake-up call. And after today, you should never need this warning again. Somewhere inside you, you feel it. Something has been slipping. A habit you've been ignoring. A prayer you've delayed. A darkness you've tried to outrun. Allah sees all of it, not to punish you, but to bring you back before your heart hardens, before the distance becomes too wide, before the regrets become too heavy. Life has been moving fast, and you've grown comfortable in the blur. But comfort is dangerous when it dulls your soul. Allah sends reminders like this only when He still wants you, when He still loves you, when He still believes in your return. And a reminder from Allah is the greatest mercy disguised as discomfort. Listen closely. This message is not here to scare you. It is here to awaken you. Because the biggest trap Shaitan uses is not sin. It is delay. Later. Tomorrow. When I'm ready. But the truth is, your soul is ready now. Your heart is craving a return now. Your life needs a shift now. You don't need to transform in one night. You don't need perfection. Allah never asked you for that. He asked for effort. Honest, consistent, sincere effort. He asked for one step, so He can rush toward you with 70. He asked for movement, not miracles. And this is the moment of that movement. The moment you decide that your past does not define you, that your mistakes do not imprison you, that your worth is not measured by the world, but by your willingness to rise again. Allah has forgiven people who sinned more than you, cried less than you, and prayed less than you. Don't underestimate the power of your return. Don't belittle the weight of your astaghfirullah. Don't think your du'as go unheard. When Allah wants someone, He sends storms to wake them, blessings to guide them, and reminders to soften them. This video is all three. From this moment on, let your life shift toward Allah. Let your days begin with gratitude, your steps guided by purpose, your actions rooted in sincerity. The world is loud, but your soul knows what it needs, and it needs Allah more than anything else you chase. Let this video find you once, just once. Let it shake you, inspire you, elevate you. Then let it become a memory of the day you decided to change. A day Allah chose you. A day your heart awakened. A day you stepped back into the warmth of His mercy, His love, and His divine protection. May this be the reminder you never need again. Let it be the one that rewrites your destiny. Let it be the moment your heart whispers, "I'm coming back, Ya Allah." And your life begins to glow with clarity, purpose, and peace. Remember this, when you choose Allah sincerely, everything else in your life begins to shift beautifully. May this be the turning point you look back on one day and say, "That was the moment everything changed."